I want to do this exercise he did with us. Okay. He was trying to prove that your brain cannot think in negatives. Okay. So I'm going to give you an instruction now, and let's see if you can follow it. Don't think about an elephant. It's impossible. Yeah. It's impossible. You cannot train your brain with a negative. So if you're going to tell yourself, don't be like your parents, or don't believe in this, your brain can't do that. What you have to do, and it's actually what you said, is you have to reinforce your thought patterns and do the positive. So you're going to have to force your brain to go in the opposite direction. And it is very difficult. And I agree that it's possible. But yes, it's going to take a lot of commitment. And it's never going to, I don't think it's ever going to be your default. It's going to be constant work.
I think, yeah, to a degree, I think that's why it's so difficult that I'm reading books about how to do it, not just reading books about business. I'm currently reading a book, Reality Transfer.
Okay.
And it's a lot. And the other day I listened to the part where he said, whatever you think about, you will attract into your life. So if you let's say you use the example of apples. If someone really dislikes apples and they keep every day they wake up and they think, I hate apples, I don't like apples, they will find that apples just start to appear everywhere. There will be more apples in your life and you will start to notice it everywhere, even though you hate it, just because you're thinking about apples the whole time. And that's the negative part. So you have to completely not think about, if you just don't give it any thoughts, just don't think about it. Then you will find, okay, you're not seeing apples anymore.
I suppose it's like that, what they call it, the secret, the law of attraction. So whatever you spend your time, think about, talk about, is what's going to come your way. But what I wanted to say now, I wonder if it's, sometimes when you've never seen a certain car, you have never heard about the brand or anything, and then someone tells you about it, and suddenly wherever you drive, you just see it, It's almost like your brain shuts off at some point for more information. It says, you don't need this information, so you don't need to see that brand of car. And then suddenly someone introduces you to that brand of car, and then your brain says, oh, now you know about this, so you got to be aware of it. And then you just see it all the time,
They say your brain is designed to help you solve problems. But for that, you need to you need a clear image of what you want. Conscious will help you find ways. That's why you have to constantly think in a way that aligns with what you want. About the negatives, what you don't want, then your subconscious will also start to think towards those things. And even the Bible says, as a man thinketh, so is he.
It's true.
So,
and the power of the tongue. It speaks about the power of the tongue as well. So what did they say? You can bring life with the word in the Bible. So I agree with you. I think we don't realize the power of our brains.